Ever seen machines bend steel like it's paper? Today, we're diving into the world of industrial giants, massive press brakes, robotic arms, and laser cutters that shape metal with mind-blowing power and precision. From steel slabs to sleek roofing tiles, these machines don't just bend, they perform. Get ready to witness the most powerful metal bending tech from around the world. Meet the heavyweight champ of sheet metal, Muttersbach GmbH. This German-made hydraulic press brake bends a 40mm steel plate like it's folding a napkin. Built for power and precision, this beast crushes metal into perfect 90 angles with ease. With 50+ years of experience, Muttersbach makes machines that shape steel tougher than most tools can handle. Next up, the RHTC hydraulic profile bending machine. It takes rigid metal tubes and curves them like a pro. Powered by a 1.5 kilowatts motor and precise digital controls, it ensures consistent bends with a margin of error as small as 0.1 millimeters. Say hello to the Crash 3000W laser cutter, a beast that slices through up to 20 millimeters of steel like butter. Whether it's aluminum, carbon steel, or stainless, this machine delivers cuts so smooth they look like they were done with a razor-sharp lightsaber. Then there's Roller Special Tools, designed for complex bends regular tools can't handle. Perfect for automotive, aerospace, and construction industries, it shapes metal into precise, multi-radius forms that are as functional as they are beautiful. Now entering, the 30,000-ton CNC press brake by Oral. Based in China, this giant bends steel beams like they're spaghetti. With CNC precision and sheer force, it presses sheets into shape with a weight of 1,500 SUVs. Meet the metal roofing tile roll forming machine by HJO Roll. It turns flat metal into elegant step tile roofing panels. With adjustable designs and support for various materials, it's perfect for fast, customized roofing. Watch the parcel shovel manufacturing machine in action. It stamps, shapes, and forms shovels with blinding speed. From flat metal to a shovel head in seconds, it's metal origami on steroids. Enter hemming tools, the final step in perfection. Hemming adds strength and safety to metal edges, and in industries like automotive, even a 0.1 mm misfold can mean disaster. These tools bring finesse to industrial scale. Next, the metal sheet rolling production line by Harsel. It transforms flat sheets into rolled cylinders and cones with unmatched grace and power. Some versions handle 25 mm thick plates, like rolling a car hood by hand. Now meet the futuristic Amada bending machine. Fully robotic and laser-guided, it flips, turns, and bends metal without a single human touch. With a margin of error under 0.001 inches, it can complete up to 1,000 bends per shift with flawless results. Enter the Vimercati door jamb production line, a powerhouse of precision. With automated feeders and dies, it forms door frames with military-grade consistency, proving that automation and craftsmanship can go hand in hand. The CMSV horizontal bending press is a master of versatile shaping. It bends, punches, and shears with hydraulic precision while keeping your workspace free and clear for full efficiency. Song, founded in 2009, supplies everything from mold steel to alloy and stainless variants. Round bars, sheets, coils, and more, serving every steel need worldwide. Meet the 320T hydraulic press by PAR, designed to bend 16 mm thick steel with clean, consistent power. Simple, strong, and efficient. Then we have the Rollery Vario, a genius adjustable die system. It allows users to quickly change V-openings without swapping tools. Saving time, boosting accuracy, and handling up to 3,000 knots per meter. Step aside for the Shinchong CNC press brake, a fully automated, servo-powered machine that works non-stop. It reduces labor costs and boosts precision, aligning every sheet perfectly and bending without fail.